Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to go over how you can easily do citations for any paper. I'm going to just address APA or MLA today, but of course you can do what I'm going to show you with any citation method that is required. I'm utilizing Bookshare today just to quickly find a book. Of course, you can do what I'm showing you anywhere. If you're a screen reader user, you're going to hit H for heading. You're going to find Sense and Sensibility. You're going to find the title. And I'm going to use my mouse and I'm going to select it and copy it out. If you continue with your H, you're going to get down to book details with your screen reader up arrow. You're going to find the copyright, or you can do a find command for copyright. Your visual, you can see it's 2014. Okay, so now I'm going to go into Word, Windows 4, and we're going to use Copilot to find our information. I'm going to go ahead and do the command of Alt-H. This is Office 365, and you're going to do FX to get to Copilot. You can also take your mouse and, of course, go up there and click on it. So it's Ask Me Anything. So I'm going to ask Copilot to do APA format for, I'm going to do a colon. I'm going to paste my book, and I'm going to put 2014. And I'm going to hit enter. And Copilot is going to create it. Now with the mouse, of course, you can select it out. If you're a screen reader user, you're going to shift tab, you're going to hear it all. You're going to change your cursor with insert Z, down arrow to copy button, or you can just select out your reference. I'm going to just select out the reference with my mouse. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back and I'm going to paste it. If you're a screen reader user, Control Space and C will close that navigation. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so this is APA method. So let's go ahead and write that so we're very clear on all of this. APA method. Okay, and let's go ahead and down arrow or enter. And now let's go ahead and do MLA. So once again, you're going to go back and we're going to do MLA for and paste it and make sure you put 2014 in there. And you get the MLA version exactly the same way. I'm going to copy that out, copy, and let's do MLA here and paste so you can all easily see that and compare the differences between APA and MLA. Okay, let's go ahead and do another one. We're going to go ahead and go to, and this, I'm showing you my favorite right now. This is another URL. This is mybib.com. We've used this for years until AI got good enough. So tab across and pick what you want. We're doing APA 7. You can search the book title or ISBN. I'm going to click in there, and I'm just going to paste the title again. I'm going to get rid of that period there, and I'm going to hit search. You can just tab to search. So you go down and find the one that you actually want. And of course, you tab down, you're going to find the exact book that you want, and you click on it, or you hit enter, and you're going to immediately hear this beautiful layout. You can tab to copy to clipboard. We're just going to copy that, and I'm going to Alt tab back. And now I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to type out, this is from MyBib. And don't worry, I will paste all these links below this video in the edit box. So E for edit, you pop right down there. And I'm going to Control V and paste. Isn't that gorgeous? And you'll notice it puts it in hanging indent. If you don't know how to do hanging indents, that's Control T. But isn't that gorgeous? So let's go ahead and Alt Tab back. And now let's go ahead and do MLA. We're popping back there. I'm going to do MLA 9. Of course, you've got many different options there. I'm going to repaste it again. Whoops. I did not do that correctly. I have to go back to my book, copy that because, of course, that was the citation. Oh, yeah, we'll go to OWL in just a second. I'm going to paste that in, and I'm going to put 2014. This is, oops, got website on there. Not sure how that is selected. We're going to go ahead and do book. So just remember you've got website, book, journal, video, and a lot more. If I click on that, it's a massive amount of different options for an option for what you need for a citation. I'm going to click search on that. No results found. That is very unusual because, of course, that's always worked flawlessly. But we're not going to worry about that. I'm just going to go ahead and click back here. And I'm going to go down and I'm going to find the ISBN number. Okay, so you've got 2 there. We're going to go ahead and copy that. And of course, if you're a screen reader user, of course, H until you get to book details, and then down arrow to your ISBN. And well, there's OWL again. Let's go all the way back here. Control A and paste the ISBN. I'm not sure how video keeps getting. Yeah, this keeps popping back and forth. That's very interesting. Here we go, and voila. And there it is. There's the book, and we just select that out. That's harder. Not well, actually, it's not harder, but copy to clipboard, so much easier. And let's go ahead and go back to Word and paste the MLA. You'll notice it's highlighted in there, so let me show you a trick. Get rid of that. Alt H, V, and you don't want to use T. You want to use merge formatting. Now I get the opportunity to go ahead and do Control T to make it a beautiful hanging indent. Don't we love that? So we'll keep in mind that is MLA. Be aware that when you go back and forth between your browser options of MyBib, it does change on you, as you saw. Okay, now we're going to use my least favorite. This is Purdue OWL. It's highly used in general for information, but this is pretty new. It's been up here, but it does cause several issues, as you'll notice. So we're going to cite information. I have already pasted this in here, and I'm going to hit cite, and you're immediately going to notice the issue. ISBN. So we're going to go ahead and do a Control A, same type of issue, and I'm going to paste. Oh, that didn't stick. Let's go ahead and go back. We're going to copy out that ISBN again, and really here in this generator, the ISBN typically does work better. Okay, and here we are. It gives a couple different ones. We want the vintage classic version. So we're going to tab over to the Cite button. Of course, these are edit buttons, and we have buttons here. So you've got your, and that's what we want. So you're going to hear all the information that you want, and you're going to continue. And here is the citation. And you can see all the different information that it wants you to go through to really make sure you have done that correctly. It is very lengthy. I'm going to complete citation without filling out any of that. And we're actually going to compare. It's a checkbox. You're going to go ahead and select that. And we are going to go ahead and copy citation. We're going to see how close this actually is. I'm going to tell you, I have more hiccups with that than not. Let me hit enter, and I'm going to paste that in. So now we're going to compare to what we had in, hey, looks pretty exact, which is very nice. It's just a lot more steps in the Purdue OWL. You just need to be aware of that. Citation copied. So I will paste this information in, like I said, below in the edit box, below this video, so you have easy access to it. So once again, you have three really good ones. Copilot is excellent. You're in Word anyway, writing your paper. Why not just use Copilot? Highly suggest Office 365 for anything. If you don't, then of course the next the citation model that I prefer is the citation generator. And this, I also want to show you how to quickly bookmark these because it is so very, very easy. Let's go back here. What you want to do, I'm in Edge right now. I'm going to Alt F and then L, Alt F and then L. And you've got Pin to Taskbar, which is P. You can down arrow, you go very quickly to these, and I'm going to just click on Pin to Taskbar, and you have it immediately populate on your bottom of your taskbar. So you just Windows T and you right arrow, and you can find it very quickly. You can move it to your desktop if you want to. Also, many, many different ways to do that. You can also just Alt D to select it, copy it. You're going to Windows M, you're going to Control Space, or you can hit your applications key. I'm just going to right click. You're going to go down to New, you're going to go down to Shortcut, and you're going to paste in the APA generator, and you can just put APA citation, or I would actually put APA and anything else citations. And of course, as soon as you click finish, it immediately becomes a desktop icon, okay? And you can do that using any of your browsers. I just prefer Edge, but I use all Edge, Chrome, and Firefox based on what I'm doing. Okay, Hope that helped. Really, really cool tricks about citations. So much easier than ever before on doing citations. Okay, hope that helped, and we will see you in the next video of technology training.